So welcome to linear integrated circuit class. Today we are going to see about analog to digital converter, the flash type. So but we have different analog to digital converter. So one of the simplest AD converter is a flash type AD converter. So it is the fastest and effective technique uses to convert the analog input into the digital output. It uses a series of comparators, and each one compares the input to a unique reference voltage VR. Then the comparator outputs connected to a priority encoder, and the priority encoder finally produces a digital output. So it uses 2 power n minus 1 comparators. Here n is the even number of bits we are using. Suppose we are using a 3-bit comparator, then it uses 2 power 3 minus 1, that is 8 minus 1, 7 comparators, minimum 7 comparators required to produce a 3-bit digital output. So here it is the logic, it is given. So analog input is given here, that is analog output given here. Then the reference voltage is given to each comparator. So it compares the analog input with the reference voltage, and accordingly it produces the output. So here it is the circuit diagram given flash type AD converter. It has the analog input VA and it is connected to all the comparators. We have designed a 3-bit 3-bit flash type AD converter. It requires minimum 7 comparator. Here we have used 8 comparators, and the reference voltage VR, it is connected through a resistor with the op amp, that is comparator to each comparator. So the logic behind the flash type AD converter is so the voltage input VA is greater than V reference voltage, then the output logic output X will be 1. So X here it will be 1. Suppose VA is less than VR, then the logic output X will be 0. For in such a cases, if VA is equal to VR, in such cases it maintains the previous value. The X value will be the previous value. This is how the comparator will produce the output. We will see here, for example, for one input we will see what will be the output. So if the analog input, so I am giving the 4 volt. If the input is 4 volt, so I have given the reference voltage is 5 volt. So the 5 volt is connected with the comparator through the different stages of resistor. So here we need to find out the voltage at each point. Here it is 7 by 8 VR, here it is 3 by 4 VR, and here it is 5 by 8 VR, here it is 1 by 2 VR. At this node the voltage is 3 by 8 VR, and at this node 1 by 4 VR and 1 by 8 VR here. So here it will be a 0 voltage because we have grounded here, so it will be a 0 voltage. So at this point 7 by 8 VR, at this point the voltage will be, if the reference voltage is 5 voltage, then here the voltage will be 4.375. Here it is 3.75 we will be getting. Here it is 3.75. 3 by 4 will be 3 by 4 VR will be 3.75, and here it is 3.125. Like that we have to calculate the voltage at each node. We know the analog input VA is 4 volt. It is connected to all the comparators. We will be getting here 4 volt in each comparator. Now it compares both the input. So we have seen the VA is greater than VR, then X equal to 1. So you compare this stage. So here the VA is less than VR, because VR is 4.375 and VA is 4. So 4 is less than 4.375. So it produces, here it is logic 1. So in second comparator you check, in the input is 3.75 and the analog input is VA is 4. So now VA is greater than VR, then it produces logic 0. For all remaining values, it will be 0, because all the values VA will be less than sorry, I have told wrongly. We have seen that VA, if VA is greater than VD, that is VD is nothing but reference voltage VR, then X equal to 1. If VA is less than VR, then X equal to 0. So by keeping this in mind, you check here 4.375 is greater than 4. So then X should be 0. So for all other values, VA will be greater, because VA is 4 volt. So here it is 3.75, here it is 3.25. So for all other values, it is VA is greater. So we will be getting X equal to 1. X equal to 1. So here it is, we have used a priority encoder. We know the concept of priority encoder. So 823 priority encoder. So accordingly, different inputs reached from the comparator, it produces an logic output. So for this input, it produces 1 1 0. If all other inputs are 1, all the inputs are 1, then it produces output 1 1 1. So if all the inputs, that is all the inputs are 0 except X naught, and then it produces 0 0 0. Okay, so this we have calculated, because input voltage is 0 to, if the input voltage is 0 to VR by 8 at this point, 0 to VR by 8, then it produces 0 0 0. If the input is VR by 8 to VR by 4, it produces 0 0 1, output will be 0 0 1. Then if the input is VR by 4 to VR by 8, that is VA is in between VR by 4 to 3 VR by 8, it produces 0 1 0. So like that it keep on converting. If the final range 0 to VR by 8, that is 7 by 8 VR to VR, it produces 1 1 1. Okay, this is how it converts the analog input into a digital output. So the main disadvantages of AD converter is, if we are using 8-bit flash AD converter, then it requires 256 comparator. Then the circuit will be huge, and then the cost will be high. And it is the main advantage is it is fastest one, and the main disadvantage is most expensive, and the delay, if number of comparator keep on increasing, then the delay will be increasing. So this is the main disadvantage, and I hope you have understood this concept very clearly, and we will see the successive approximation type AD converter in the next class. Thank you.